Mr. Das, is your UPS made in India? After Corona crisis, everyone is now asking about made in India online UPS. Sir, problem with most made in India UPS is they do not have an excellent combination of quality and India wide service. So you have to choose between MNC imported and bad service UPS. Choosing bad service UPS is really bad for your business and mental health. Customer goes away from you while you spend more time and money on service. Mr. Das, have you ever replaced online UPS of your customer using your own money? This happens because local companies shut down as they do not get enough business to service. UTL is a trusted brand from last 24 years. Is perfect solution to all these problems. Scan barcode, press this link on mobile to download catalog design and made in India. UTL has perfectly placed more than 250 service manpower all over India. Service at your doorstep in 24 to 48 hours. Customer complaint registration number +918510885885. This number is facility with WhatsApp and call as well. UTL transformer base raft design. This has double life span than imported. If your customer is adamant on prices, then we have imported UPS as well. Mr. Das, let us start the business. Please give me my first order from you. Sir, do you want to see what our MD Mr. Yogesh Dua says about our online UPS? Scan the bar, press this link on mobile to see videos of our MD Mr. Yogesh Dua. What he says about our online UPS. UTL was founded in the year 1996 by two proficient engineers, Mr. Yogesh Dua and Mr. Pawan Garg. UTL is one of the leading brands in power backup and power generation in India. UTL offers a wide range of quality products, has 4 manufacturing units, strong network of distributors and dealers across the globe, and highly motivated workforce. We are offering excellent R&D services, though the team of more than 100 R&D professional and exporting R&D services and UL and CE certified product to various countries including USA, UAE, Nigeria, etc. As the company values long-term relationship, our stockholders and even customers have very long association with UTL. UTL mission is to develop value for the money world-class product and provide excellent service to its customers worldwide. UTL has a clear vision to double its reach globally every second year. Some remarkable milestones covered by UTL are: first Indian sine wave inverter with inbuilt stabilizer, first Indian single card inverter solution, first Indian SMT inverter in the year 2000, first Indian manufacturer to develop high frequency online UPS. UTL RMPPT, first Indian PCU that has all configuration available on its LCD itself. First online UPS in which charger, inverter, card and IGBT are on one single card. UTL product range. We offer an extensive range of products including online UPS, offline UPS, RMPPT, solar PCUs, home inverters, solar panels, solar tubular batteries, SMU solar management unit, solar charge controllers, enabling us to accommodate all the needs of our customers up to their full satisfaction. We have Technia sine wave inverter 800 VA to 5K VA, Samsi solar inverter 675 VA to 1475 VA, Heliac solar inverter 1050 VA to 3550 VA, Gamma plus RMPPT solar inverter 1 kVA to 12 volt to 24 volt, Gamma PCU 2 kVA to 5 kVA, Alpha plus solar PCU 1 kVA to 15 kVA, Sigma and hybrid solar PCU 1 kVA to 15 kVA, spring inverter grid tie 1 kW to 60 kilowatt. Range of battery product, tall tubular battery 40 ampere hour to 230 ampere hour, solar panel 40 watt to 330 watt, PWM solar charge controller 12 to 24 volt to 10 per 20 ampere, RMPPT solar charge controller 12 volt to 360 volt, lift inverter 6 kVA to 20 kVA, high frequency online UPS 1 kVA to 10 kVA, online UPS inbuilt isolation 3 kVA to 120 kVA, e-rickshaw product. We have UTL smart LED TV, UTL stabilizer, UTL gas cylinder. Achievements: Invest India recognized largest company in off-grid inverter, one of 25 fastest growing electronic manufacturing company in India, certificate of honor, will get certificate. We already received certificate of honor 2019 to 2020 two times. India most preferred solar inverter brand for 2 years. Our global preference are Syria, Israel, Egypt, Ghana, Nigeria, Sudan, Congo, Zambia, Zimbabwe, South Africa, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Yemen, Kenya, Tanzania, Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Vietnam, and Philippines, as well as Thailand. Prestigious customers: Airtel, PVR, Air India, Big Cinema, Global IME Bank, Gold Plus, Riso, LIC, Acer, KFC, HP, Continental, Wipro, Global IME Bank, Doinik, Sarkar, BSNL, etc. UTL, the power as and when you need. Please contact us, Corporate Office 53A par 4 6 Rama Road, Industrial Area near Sat Guru Ram Singh Marg Metro Station near NDPL Grid Office, Delhi 110015. For sales, kindly contact +91 9250 885 885. For service, 91 8510 885 885. And you can reach us by sales@utlups.com.